What if I told you that over 2 millennia ago, a man from the arid lands of Persia rose to establish the world's first true empire? A ruler so fair and just, he was hailed as the Great even by his enemies. This man was none other than Cyrus the Great. Cyrus II, or Cyrus the Great as he is more commonly known, was born around 600 and 610 BCE in the region of Persia, which corresponds to modern-day Iran. From an early age, Cyrus was groomed for leadership. His parents were both of noble lineage, and they infused in him the principles of courage, justice, and wisdom, values that would guide him throughout his life. Cyrus began his journey to greatness as the king of Anshan, a city in the Persian Empire, around 559 BCE. His rule, though initially limited to a small region, was marked by a keen sense of justice and a knack for diplomacy. These traits would serve him well as he embarked on a series of conquests that would forever change the course of history. In 553 BCE, Cyrus turned his attention to the powerful kingdom of Media. Through a combination of shrewd diplomacy and military might, he was able to bring the Median kingdom under his control by 550 BCE. But Cyrus didn't stop there. His sights were set on creating an empire that stretched from the Indus River to the Mediterranean Sea. Within a span of just 20 years, Cyrus managed to conquer most of the known world. From the Lydian kingdom of Croesus in the west to the Babylonian Empire in the east, all fell before the might of Cyrus the Great. Yet what set Cyrus apart was not his military prowess alone, but his unique approach to governance. Instead of imposing Persian customs and religion on his conquered subjects, Cyrus respected their traditions and beliefs. This policy of tolerance earned him the admiration of those he ruled, and it contributed to the stability and prosperity of his empire. Perhaps the most famous example of this is the Cyrus Cylinder, a document that has been hailed as the first charter of human rights, in which Cyrus proclaims his intent to allow freedom of religion throughout his empire. Cyrus the Great's reign came to an end in 530 BCE, but his legacy lives on. His innovative approach to governance, his respect for the cultures and traditions of his subjects, and his extraordinary military achievements set the stage for the rise of subsequent empires and continue to be studied by historians and political scientists to this day. To summarize, Cyrus the Great was a ruler of unparalleled vision and wisdom. Born in the arid lands of Persia, he rose to establish the world's first true empire. His rule was marked by a keen sense of justice, a knack for diplomacy, and an unwavering respect for the cultures and traditions of his subjects. His military achievements are remarkable, but it's his innovative approach to governance that truly sets him apart. Even after over 2 millennia, Cyrus the Great remains a shining beacon of enlightened leadership.